fine. Can we take a photo po? For today's video, we'll be watching Into the Woods with my friends Dana and Shane. Guys, inimbestigahan niyo yung stage door para mamaya makauna kami para magpa-perma. Ganun siya ka-obsessive. Nilibre niya kami ng season pass. So, I was so confused. Kukwento ko mamaya. Hi! Punta kami ng lounge. So, thank you again, Gal, for buying us because you are our richest friend.
Tumatanong ano?
Wow! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rafael. You can call me Rafa. And for today's video, we'll be watching Into the Woods with my friends Dana and Shane. Si Shane papunta na doon. And kami ay paalis na. Ay, umuulan daw. Hindi namin alam kung mag-grab or mag-move it or whatever. So, yeah, tara na. Mag-grab ba tayo? Or move it? Ayoko rin ma-traffic eh. Baka naman tumila yung ulan.
Hindi kaya ng pasensya ko traffic.
Yeah, so mag-move it ba tayo?
Yeah, mag-move it tayo.
Okay.
Kasi may raincoat naman.
Yeah, I think so. Sige.
Tapos dala natin yung mga laptop natin na wala pa.
Oo nga pala! Dala namin pala yung mga laptop namin na bago. Tapos papaulan na namin. So, abangan nyo kung masisira sila. Bye!
Hindi pa nga ako to.
Hi! Andito na ako sa Circuit Mall. And waiting for Shane kasi nandito na siya. And Dana is naiwan actually sa condo. Kasi nauna yung angkas ko, yung move it ko, yung kanya, kinancelan pa siya. So, she booked again. And ayun, ngayon pa lang ata siya paalis sa condo. Let's wait for Shane. Nasaan na kaya siya? Umihi daw. Hi! Lumayo ka, ang ganda ng fit mo. Ganda ng fit niya, oh.
Alam ko na kung nasaan.
Yung?
Stage door.
Guys, inimbestigahan niyo yung stage door para mamaya makauna kami para magpa-perma. Ganun siya ka-obsessive. So, buti may obsessive friend kami para gagawin yung work for us. Oh! Hello!
Sabi ko sa kanya.
Cute nyo namang dalawa. There are giants in the sky. Sige. Yes, I love it. More. Ay, wala na. Ang liit mo. Guys, I was so confused a while ago. Kasi, bibili siya ng season pass. Hinihintay namin siya. Nilibre niya kami ng season pass. So, I was so confused. Kukwento ko mamaya. Kasi akala ko, yay! 3 tickets for a course line. Hi! Punta kami ng lounge.
Natulog na.
Wala na nag-wait kasi 7:30 rin naman. Hi! So we're currently in the lounge kahit 7:11 na. And 7:30 yung show. By the way, kanina, what happened is... story time lang. Shane went back to us when we were in line. And then, she showed us 3 posters. So I thought she just bought us 3 posters because we were about to buy posters for each of us. However, what I didn't know is that she actually bought us season passes. So she bought us a ticket for a chorus line for March 28th. She actually bought us tickets for another play. So thank you again, Gal, for buying us because you are our richest friend, the daughter of Henry C. Charis. Anyway, later I'll see you again because the lounge is underwhelming. Charing, bye.
Kailangan ko magtunas ng camera.
We're about to enter. Let's go. Yeah, I love it. Anong seat ko?
303.
Hello, so we're already inside. And unfortunately, I cannot record anything for you guys. So you just buy your own ticket so you can watch the show. Chari. Hi, we're done with the first part. It was so good. The cast was great. Yeah, we'll be seeing the second part in a while, so...
Cinderella's dress!
Dress! Wow. Want this merch, tong cap. Kaso lang, hindi bagay sa kanyang bond. So, I won't get it. Yan, we have the shirts and the hoodies. Yan. Hi, so we're rushing to get our poster signed. As in, nagmamadali. Pero, bila naman kami ni Gal ng pass. However, syempre, kailangan mauna pa rin kami doon. We are in the season pass part, and we're waiting for the cast, and we'll get our poster signed and also of course meet them. Okay, Gal, pakita mo yung Miss Saigon mo. Yan, papasahin niya yung kay Leah. Hi! Amazing!
Oh, Priya.
Yay, thank you!
Beautiful.
Oh, can we please ask for a photo too? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, you were crazy good.
You're so amazing.
More. Thank you so much. You were so good. Oh, Sinyoy. Hi po.
Thank you so much.
Hi, can we take a photo po? Thank you. We loved your performance.
Miss Sweeney said,
Oh my God.
I have good genes.
Yes.
Oh my God, that was controversial.
Yes, that was controversial. You were so great.
Thank you.
I love you. You're so great.
I love
Can you say hi to my vlog?
The best performance.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Bye.
It's a miracle.
Yay. Hi. It's Eugene. I love you so much. You're so good.
We're big fans po.
Yes po, sobra. Can we take a photo? Yay. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Eugene. Bye, love you. Hey, can we take a photo? Yay. Wait. Hey. Thank you. Miss Leah. Hi, so we're on our way to Ses, to merienda. Kasi kakain kami para i-meet siya. Successful kami sa poster signing. Kulang lang talaga si... So... Ay, sorry. Hi, so sunduin namin si Saskia. Dito rin kami palagi. Ayan, ngayon lang sila nagkita. Ah, ang papangit niyo daw.
May tumatanong ano.
Wow!
Ayun! Aray ko!
It's nice to see you.
Ay! Huwag na, hindi natin kasama yan, be.
Kumusta ka na?
Pili namin. Kumusta ka na? Plastic na kumusta.
Sino ka? Ang tagal kita hindi nakita kahapon. Hi, so we're in merienda. Finally, makikita na nila si Ces kasi ang tagal nila hindi nakikita. Into the Woods was so good.
Pick ka nga, Eman.
Ay, bakit?
This is Dana. This is, I don't know.
Si Glenn ba yan?
Yeah.
Hi, Glenn.
Bakit mo ba?
Ayoko rin. Mo. Yan.
Ay, ang ganda na color ni Dana sa ano.
Yeah, red.
Namumula ako.
Okay.
Saka yung saka. Anong malaki? Ano?
Ayun yung sopas niya. Kanina pa yung sopas.
Kanina natin.
Kanina ka pa sopas na sopas. Diba? Ayun na. O, tingnan yung gulaman ni Jasmine.
Sagong-sago. Sagong-sago.
Napakaraming sago. Ang tawag dyan ay sago at sago. Sabi, ang dami nung sinigang nila.
Sarap. Pinilig ako sa sinigang.
Okay, ito na yung order ko. Yung lukban, longganisa, carbonara. Ay, so wala. Gal, bye ulit. Mag-bye ka. Bye.
Bye!
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye!
Uwi na tayo.
Yan tayo.
Wait, may nagawa.
Kasi, kaya mahal ng pet. Kasi parang 15K is yung vaccine budget ng 3 aso.
Totoo ba? Hi guys, as you saw, nasa bahay na kami. And nagagawa na siya ng niya. Ay, gumagawa na siya ng mga something niya. And me, magpe-prepare na to sleep, yung mga cats, ganyan. It's 4:18 a.m. Kasi natagalan kami. So after na Into the Woods, kinita namin si Ces. And sobrang tagal namin nagkwentuhan kasi ang tagal na namin nag-catch up. And yeah, hindi na kami sa bahay magpapahinga na. And yeah, thank you so much guys for joining us in this video. I hope you enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed it. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Deuces! Bye!